None. Afam Ngozika. Hello guys. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State, precisely. And you're welcome to yet another exciting episode. I've been away for a very long time, yes. But it's good to be back. I hope you guys are well and fine and bubbly and everything nice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 50 names of animals in Igbo. Yes, you heard me, 50 names. But I'm going to split this video into 2 or 3 parts. In order not to have too lengthy videos, I just want every episode to be exciting and interesting. Nobody wants to be bored with a lengthy video, right? Very good. Very good. So if you're an old subscriber, thanks for returning, and if you're a new visitor here, you're welcome. We're going to have fun together. But before we delve into what we have today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the share button, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes. Let's get started. Today is all about animals. Animals. Animals are called anumanu in Igbo. Animals. Anumanu in Igbo. So I hope you're ready. Animals. Anumanu. 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 Animal, an animal, one. Anumanu, one. Then more than one, as usual, plural and singular. Anumanu, animals, an animal, one. Anumanu. Anumanu for more than one. Anumanu. So anyone you mention, when you add before the name, it becomes plural. Good. Let's see what we have here today. Let's kickstart with a dog. A dog. Nkita. A dog. More than one. Nkita. Nkita. That is dogs. Dogs. Nkita, one. Nkita, more than one. Nkita, number one. Now number 2, we have an elephant. An elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Any. Elephant. Any. Take it easy. Any elephant. Number 3 on the list, we have pig. A pig. Ezi. For one, more than one. Ezi, one. More than one. Ezi. Number 4 on the list, we have a cow. A cow. Efi or Ewii. Efvi or Ewii. Efvi. A cow. Efvi. A cow. The next on our list is a tiger. A tiger. Odum. A tiger. Odum. A tiger. Odum. A tiger. Odum. Then the next is a lion. Agu. A lion. Agu. A lion, Agu. We have a leopard, Odumodu. Odumodu. Odumodu is a leopard. A leopard, Odumodu. Good. The next one, snake, Agwo. Agwo, snake. A snake, Agwo. A snake, Agwo. The next one, a horse, Inyinya. A horse, Inyinya. A horse, Inyinya. Take a deep breath. They are not difficult. Just relax yourself. Inyinya. Inyinya. A horse. Inyinya. Now we have a cat. Nwamba or Buusu. Is it difficult? So far, I don't think it's difficult. Just relax your mind. Relax yourself. You can pronounce everything. Just put your mind to it. A cat. Nwamba. Nwamba or Buusu. Nwamba or Buusu. The next one on the list, antelope. Antelope Mgbada. Antelope Mgbada. 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 Then the next one is a rat. Okay. A rat. Okay. A rat. Okay. Then the next one we have Gorrilla Adaka. This is simple. Gorrilla Adaka. Gorrilla Adaka. We also have a toad. A toad is owl. Owl. Owl is a toad. A toad. A toad is owl. Then a frog. Mbala. 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 A toad, owl. Then a frog, Mbala. Mbala. Take a deep breath. And let's continue, please. The next one, scorpion. A scorpion. Akpi. 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 That's for a scorpion. Akpi. Akpi is for a scorpion. We also have a lizard. A lizard. Ngwele. Ngwele is for a lizard. Ngwele. We have donkey. Donkey. Jaki. Jaki. Jaki is for donkey actually. Jaki. Donkey. Jaki. Then we have rabbit. Ewii. We have what else? Is it up to 20 now? Okay, let's add 2 more. We have squirrel. 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 Do you know what squirrel is called in Igbo? Osa. Squirrel. Osa. Squirrel. Osa. And the last but not the least, let's see. Let's see. Monkey. Enwe. Enwe. You know what Enwe is? A monkey. Enwe. 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 You see? It's not difficult. Enwe. Enwe is a monkey. Enwe is a monkey. Whew. It's not difficult, right? Just take your time. As usual, like always, you take your time, you take a deep breath. All these things are just so easy to pronounce. Just take it a step at a time. Well, we've come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to be notified. This is a part 1. Watch out for the rest of the names. Remember, I promised 50 animals, 50 names, 50 names of animals in Igbo. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye.